Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how you can get more views in your channel YouTube, how you can successful your channel YouTube, get more subscribe and more views and more watch time. In this video, let's go. It's simple. It's You must work in to SEO YouTube. How to make SEO YouTube? It's simple to make SEO in YouTube. Like this channel, go to analytics for this channel. In the analytics, we go to audience. Look here. You go to continue. Look here. In here you look research YouTube and search YouTube. All views we have in this channel, it's 16, about 16 in search YouTube. Secondly, in navigation and suggestion the video. In this video I focus in search YouTube, how you can get more views and more subscribe in search YouTube. It's simple. It's you can must only work in see YouTube. It's simple. We can go in to the video to show you how you can make SEO in your channel and in your video. Firstly, this video, as you can see, it's we can make title of video shorts. Don't make it long. Make it about nine words like this, and make keyword. You can make keyword in title. Keyword who people looking for, like how you can get money in online, how you can make money, how you can make cake, cheesecake, or like this recipes of cheesecake. Any keyword in your niche, and when you can make title, go to the description and make a lot of keyword in your niche, or about your video. If your video talking about how to make money on YouTube, make a lot of keywords in this theme, like how you can get more views, how you can get more subscriber, how you can get 4,000 hour watch time in YouTube, how you can successful your channel, like this. Because this term or this keywords, a lot of people looking for in search YouTube. And then when your full your description, like this description give you 5,000 words, and make attractive thumbnail. If you make attractive thumbnail, it's I can guarantee you 90% to attract people to your video. When attract people to your video, YouTube suggests your video to another people, and you can make playlist. If you can make playlist, it's better. And then you can go to scrolling down here, and you can make chapter here, and you here it's important tags. It's important to make tags. What you can do in tags, keywords. You can make keywords relation with your term of your video, like how you can get money in YouTube, how you can make money online, make money on YouTube, make money on YouTube without showing your face, like this. Make money on YouTube 2023. All this keyword just make him in tags and make all like this, and 500 per 500 like this. It's full. I make all, don't let any space in tags. Then it's totally, this is totally what you need to make SEO in YouTube. And this is SEO of YouTube. SEO of YouTube is just simple like this, and you can make it day after day, day after day, and in the end you can earn money in your video without you can make a receipt, don't upload video and get money. I wish you understand what you tell you, and sorry for my English, broken English, but I want to understand you. SEO, it's important for your channel, because if you don't make SEO, and if you don't any keyword in title, like look at me, I go to Bali, this keyword, anyone don't looking for him, because you or anyone don't write in search of YouTube, look at me. Look at me, it's not a keyword. You mean, you know what you mean. Thank you for your watching, and if you understand what I mean, please share this for anyone who wish get money in YouTube and make a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys to another video and another idea to get in the head and to get money in online.